Greetings to everyone. Here is an electrification of a bedroom. In this bedroom, we have the fuse box. So this is a fuse box, and this fuse box, inside the fuse box, we're having an electric meter. So this is an electric meter here. This is a main circuit breaker, the main circuit breaker of the room. We also have this miniature circuit breaker, that is MCB. This miniature circuit breaker, the first circuit breaker from here, this is for the lamp, this is for the boiler, this is the lamp here. This is for the boiler, this is the boiler here, or the heater, electric heater. And the third one from here is it is the circuit breaker for this climatizer. So we have switches, two-way switch. So this is a switch here, and this is another switch here. There are two-way switches. So this is our climatizer, this is our boiler, this is our lamp. This is the circuit breaker for reserve. This is a circuit breaker for reserve. Inside here we have cable conduit. These are conduit. You can see the cable conduit. We also have a cable conduit here. Also have a cable conduit here. Also have them. Also have it here. So the cable. So this is the supply. Here we have the supply here. It's above here. It's a single phase supply. Now have a live and a neutral. So we are going to simulate this electric circuit. We'll simulate it. When we simulate this fuse box, this code, what is called in French coffre, you automatically simulate, and we will see it how it look in physical world. This is how it look at in physical world. In physical world, this is how it look like. So this lamp in physical world, you see that this lamp is a spot lamp. It's a spot lamp. You can see it. This is spot lamp. This is our two-way switches. So this is our boiler, electric boiler. We have our climatizer. You can see the guillotte, what is called in French, you call it guillotte. Also call it conduit. These are conduit for cable. So inside here we have cable inside. Okay, so when you can see the electric meter is indicating power equal to 0 watt. Power is equal to 0 watt. As we said, that is our main breaker, main circuit breaker. So I'm going to on the main circuit breaker. I've on the main circuit breaker. Now I'm going to on the lamp in the room. This lamp H1 in the room. So it means that we have to on its own circuit breaker. So I will at the beginning I say this cure one. It is the cure one, which is the first circuit breaker. It is for the lamp. So I'm going to on it. So when I on, the lamp is on, mean that the one of the switch was on. Since I say it's a two-way switch, meaning that this one it can be placed at the entrance of the room, at the door of the room, and where you are sleeping, you can put this at your maybe their head bed, then where you can on and off. So I can on it here, I can off the lamp here, I can off the lamp, I can on the lamp here, off the lamp here. Likewise, as I can also off it. Same. I can also do the same here. Can on here, then off here. I can on here, then off here. It's two-way switch. And we can see the power of this lamp. The power of this lamp is 50 watt from the electric meter. Is 50 watt. So we're going to off. We are going to off the circuit breaker for the O can see off the lamp. When off the lamp, you see that the power goes back to 0. So we are going to on the circuit breaker for the electric boiler or the heater. So I on it. The heater is on. You can see it. The heater is on. So the power of the heater is 1996.7 watt. The heater is on. So I'm going to off the heater from the circuit breaker. I'm going to off this heater. Now we are going to on the climatizer. So I on the climatizer. This climatizer is on. It's on. So the power of that climatizer is 1992.5 watt. Okay. I'm going to on everything in the room. Then I'll on my lamp. So when the lamp is on, the climatizer is also on, the boiler is on. We have a total power of 4023.4 watt. It means that when everything in the room is on, so this is the power consumption, the power that all of them give out, it is 4023.4 watt. As we said, that this is our main breaker, meaning that I can off this breaker. If I off this breaker, all the element in the room will be off. So I off it. All the element, the power goes back to 0 watt. I on it. The power, total power of when all the appliances are being on. Now I can decide, and maybe I decide that I will not going to use my heater. So I off the circuit breaker for the heater. You see the power have reduced to 2046.3 watt. I can decide that I don't want me to use clean. The power have reduced to 50 watt, mean that is only this lamp that is on. So that is it. And we can on the lamp. I can off the lamp, can on it. Inside this conduit, there are cable inside, so we can see it. Go to artificial, then so go to artificial. So I will be reducing the percentage. You can be seeing what is happening inside the circuit. So that is it. You can be seeing it. Now I can on the circuit breaker. Can on the circuit breaker. For the lamp on the, so it cannot go. So it means that we only need to adjust it to 100% before it can go. Okay, so that is how the circuit function. Thank you. So let us stop the simulation. So I go to Schema, then I take on conception.